All right, folks. Her name is Leslie Ann James, and she's beginning with same all kind of problems some she come in. But she goes by Leslie Cooks, known for her sweet and savory dishes, I'm told, because I don't taste any yet. So this morning, she's helping us create a signature smile salad. Good morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning. Thanks
So where
for
this
having
cooking
me.
thing coming from? How long now you been cooking, and why you started that?
I like to eat. I love to eat. So I have to cook. So I've been cooking from when I was like 10 or so. I used to watch my mother cook. And then she didn't eat meat, but I wanted to eat meat. So I started cooking meat, and then it just went from there.
So from you are 10 years old.
Yeah.
What's Leslie's? Not Leslie's.
Leslie
Cooks. What's that?
Leslie Cooks is my brand. I'm a content creator, food blogger, baker. And so, yeah.
Who you create content for?
I create content for myself, for my food blog, and also for different companies in Jamaica. Creating different recipes, videos, pictures, all of that.
When you say creating recipes, you just sit down one day and say, well, I went put this with that and come up with something, or no?
So, if you know me, I'm literally always on Instagram scrolling, looking at food. So, over time, certain ideas just come into my head, and I was like, okay, I want to do this.
Can you remember the last one you came up with all by yourself, or you look at other people and put things with things?
The last one I came up with all by myself. You're putting me on the spot.
Yeah, that's what we do here. You don't remember then?
I don't remember.
So what you doing for us is, but hold on, before you tell us what you're doing, what is this here?
This is a product that's going to be in the supermarket soon.
What is
it? It's a drunken cookie cup.
Drunken cookie cup. What is in it?
So it's chocolate chip cookies, rum-infused whipped cream, and more chocolate chip cookie.
And what is in here?
Chocolate chip cookies. You like chocolate chip cookies?
I will eat one more. So it's a rum-infused...
Whipped cream. That's
So
I whip myself.
So it's very strong, the alcohol?
Not really drunk you.
Okay. And then what you're going to make for us this
And
morning?
we're making a salad. So we have our kale and we have some shredded lettuce. And we're going to put it in here.
What is kale?
Kale, one of the leafy vegetables.
Right there.
See right here?
Oh.
It's massaged kale. So it kind of comes firm, so you have to massage it with some oil and salt, so it has a more pleasant taste and the texture is nicer.
Right, before you do that, can we have a little bit more time? Leslie Cooks. What is that? A catering thing you do, or you don't cook for apart from the companies? What you do? I can order and call you and say I want lunch today, or no?
Yes, you can. I do cater, and I also do pop-ups every now and then. But next year I'm going to do more pop-ups, looking at once or twice a month.
Where your pop-up, please?
Well, you can order and I deliver, or you can pick it up from a certain location.
Okay, but it's not an everyday thing?
No.
Okay.
But if you do want to call or order something for catering or anything, of course, you can.
Let's go.
Salad. So we have our kale. Do you have a preference in leafy vegetable?
Yeah,
What is that?
leafy vegetables.
So do you like lettuce? Do you like
I
spinach?
like lettuce. No, I don't know if I've ever had spinach, but I like lettuce.
I should have brought some spinach
No,
for you.
you're doing fine. But you have to talk me through it, you know.
All right, so.
This is like a little bed of
Yes,
There
you
you
see
go.
how it's green and nice and
it is.
fresh?
It does look like that, yeah.
All right. What's your next favorite thing? Cucumber, tomato, or carrot?
All of them.
All of them. So we're just going to add all of them then.
Yeah.
All right.
So you never bring it up, put in everything.
I mean, I don't know if you didn't like something, I wouldn't put it in for you.
Don't put in the onion then.
I was supposed to hide it.
No, but you can't hide things on television, you never know that. So that's your tomato.
That's the tomato.
Yeah, where's the carrot?
So the carrots here, we have some shredded carrots.
Yeah.
Because I don't...
It's golden green.
Yes. Do you see the colors?
Yes.
All right. Because you eat with you?
Eyes.
All right.
You're a teacher.
Stop
I
it.
know your cucumber.
Cucumber. This is my favorite.
Why?
Tastes good.
Okay. So everything you put in there don't taste good?
Yeah, it tastes better
Does
than
it matter
everything.
how you do it? Like, because
No.
you just throw them
I
together?
like to make it look pretty. So right now, it don't look pretty to you?
It does, actually.
All right. I like to make my food look pretty because I like to take pictures of my food. And I want to become a food photographer very soon.
You want to become a food photographer? Why, please?
Because I like to take pictures of my food. And I think I do a decent job so far.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
And now the avocado.
yes. So we have to slice that. Avocado, your favorite.
Yeah. One of the greatest food in life.
It's okay.
No, it is one of the greatest. It wasn't a question. It is one of the greatest. It wasn't a question.
What's the next greatest?
Food?
Yeah.
Well, my favorite is salmon, actually.
Okay, love salmon.
Yeah.
What's after that? Do you eat rice?
Yeah. I mean,
Do you love rice?
not really, but
I
I
love
eat rice.
All right. So
Yeah.
we're just gonna put our.
And what you leave out now?
What did I leave out? I didn't leave out anything. I went to add our cilantro. Do you like cilantro?
I guess. But it looked just like everything else in there.
No, it has a different taste.
Yeah, but it looked like everything else in there.
I guess. But it's different.
Put in the cilantro now.
We're
That
just
looked really nice, to be honest.
You like it? You look
Love
nice.
it. Yeah. Cilantro do what? Isn't just one of the green leafy
No, it
thing
is
too?
not one of the green things. It's a garnish and it also has a really nice taste. Like cilantro lime rice is really yummy.
Cilantro lime rice.
Yeah.
I've never heard of lime
It's
rice.
very good. And you can smell the cilantro right now.
Give me a piece, please.
Smell it?
Actually does have a smell.
Yes, it's yummy. Oh, the cranberries. You like cranberries? I didn't think that I would like cranberries in my salad, but look at this. First of all, not only is it beautiful, it's so cute.
She don't have no sense, people.
But,
And that's it.
yeah.
Hold on now. I forgot to bring it so the camera folks could see it. Right here. Me that, Everard?
Look at that. You have to turn it down.
Yeah, me know want it drop out. That no good?
Yum.
Oh, that's good, chef?
Yes.
Not bad.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
This is mine.
Yep. It's so cute.
And this is my dessert. This is my more dessert. What's in there, please?
Something you don't eat.
Is what?
Chicken.
So chicken supposed to go in there? No, seriously.
Optional. It's optional.
Well, put it in there, man.
No.
Put it in there because we want to see everything.
Okay,
Don't want to see
okay.
everything, sir.
Optional.
Yeah, put it in
So
there.
if you don't have chicken, you can use some grilled shrimp, salmon.
Yeah. Salmon is the lick, really.
We're just gonna slice it. Slice a dice. You know what? Let's do it the proper way.
Yeah, because we want to see it.
Yeah.
We can't see that now? Anything black in it?
All good?
Yeah.
We're gonna slice a dice. Oh, I already had a fork. Should never make me nervous.
What are you doing?
I'm slicing
Well,
it.
you don't have to do today, you know.
Look at that chicken.
But you could put anything in there.
Yes, you
any
can
kind
put
of.
shrimps. You can eat it just like that.
Yeah.
Salmon.
All right. Tell me how we find Leslie. I feel like I keep saying Leslie's, but it's Leslie
It's just
Cooks.
Leslie.
Where
Leslie
we
Cooks.
find Leslie Cook?
Can find me on Instagram
Yeah.
at _Leslie Cooks. And you get all the information there. You'll get my email address and my contact number when you find me on Instagram at _Leslie Cooks.
There you go. It looked good to me.
It looks good.
So there
to
you
me
go.
too.
A smile salad made for Nephril.
It's so adorable.
Can't say she don't have much sense. Her name is Leslie Ann James. She's a chef, she's a baker, and she actually cooks. Blessings. Good to see you.
Nice to be here.
Yeah, man, look after yourself. We're going to
Thank
take a
you.
break. We still have more left on Smile. Stay with us, please.